Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Vanderbilt Mortgage. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in vmf.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Vanderbilt Mortgages. Now click on the sign in button at the top right corner and now you will be taken into the login portal. Just type in your username or your email address that you have used while signing up for your account within the username/email address box. Then you can type in your password underneath within the password section and then click on the login button and you will be logged into your account on Vanderbilt Mortgages right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on Forgot Password underneath the password box and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Vanderbilt Mortgage. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.